Back. We know healthcare at times can be expensive, especially if you don't have insurance. Well, there's a local clinic that could help with that. Dr. Nadim Khan and Paul Bilazis are here this afternoon so we can learn more about the Halim Clinic. Let's start with you first of all, Nadim. You've been doing this Halim Clinic now for a few years, going back to 2017, 2018, 2019. You're a dentist by profession, but this is branched out to helping people in all kinds of medical needs.
Yeah, absolutely. Halim Clinic is a clinic where we offer free medical services and free dental services. And we were in Holland, Ohio since 2019, and we're currently temporarily in my clinic right now, but we're going to be moving to our new location on Monroe Street, hopefully in a month or so. So we're seeing many uninsured patients. It's a tremendous amount of people that we're offering free medical treatment, free prescriptions, free labs, and then free dental services, which includes root canals, extractions, fillings, cleanings, etc.
And Paul, you were involved with the Perrysburg Heights Community Organization, and you hear about this wonderful clinic, you're thinking, this would be great for my area.
It's been just a spectacular collaboration, and we're just so excited to be able to do it. The Perrysburg Heights Association is a nonprofit many people have probably never heard of it, but it's been around since 1991. We have a community center. It's right across the street, about a block over from Levis Commons. And we have it's a large center. We have 6 classrooms, a large gymnasium, a multipurpose room, a fitness area. And we provide largely, over the last 30 years, we've provided after-school educational programming to kids from the Perrysburg Heights neighborhood, and in the last 10 years from the entire Perrysburg School District. We also have a food pantry that serves people from the entire region. We have a social worker that works with the school district's social work team. And now we're going to have a medical clinic. So we're really excited about it.
That's a satellite from
Correct.
the Halim Clinic. So I want to mention they do not provide prescriptions for scheduled controlled drugs or narcotics, cannot see pediatric patients, and no prenatal care.
Correct.
But other than that, basic services, is that probably what the big need is in most communities anyway?
Absolutely. So our collaboration with Perrysburg Heights is one of which we're going to do primary care, preventive care, basic wellness checkups, chronic disease management, diabetes, hypertension, etc., those kind of facilities. So right now it's just medical treatment.
And what's funny is, like we were talking before, but like many people have insurance, but they can't afford what it costs to pay for services, which is a mind-boggling conundrum.
Yeah, I mean, they might have insurance, for example, through the federal marketplace, but their deductible might be $600 or it might be $6,000. And I know plenty of examples where that's the case. So they just can't afford the services, and there's so many people that don't have a lot of spare money, and so they just don't see the doctor, and many of them may have chronic conditions. They might have diabetes or they may have high blood pressure, and they need ongoing services, and they need to see a doctor on some regular basis, and they just don't do it.
What kind of, the personnel that you have working at your clinics, now you'll have 2, mostly some established doctors and a lot of up-and-coming students?
So absolutely. So we're going to have licensed medical professionals, medical doctors, as well as physician assistants. And then we have interns that are interning at Halim Clinic. They're university-level students that will be helping out with the administrative aspect of things.
Where does this go from here? The great things happening for Perrysburg Heights.
Well, this will give us an opportunity to really serve a larger area outside of the immediate Perrysburg area, because we're expecting to have both students and residents from Bowling Green and to some extent from around Toledo, as well as people around or within the Perrysburg area.
That's great. Paul, Nadim, nice job. Thanks for what you guys do. Appreciate you coming down here.